Hey guys, welcome to USA Market. In the world of D projects, repairs, and tinkering, a reliable screwdriver set is an indispensable tool. However, with the advancement of technology and the increasing complexity of gadgets and appliances, a traditional screwdriver set might not suffice. This is where multifunctional screwdriver sets come into play, offering versatility, efficiency, and convenience for various tasks. With an array of options available in the market, selecting the best multifunctional screwdriver set can be a daunting task. To simplify your decision-making process, we've meticulously curated a list of the top 5 multifunctional screwdriver sets that excel in performance, durability, and adaptability to meet the diverse needs of both professionals and D enthusiasts alike. Number 5. GoGoPanda HT0207 Screwdriver Set. One of the standout features of the GoGoPanda HT0207 set is its versatility. With a wide range of screw head types including slotted Phillips Torx, hex, square socket, triangle, positive, spanner, and more, this set covers all the bases. Whether I'm working on furniture assembly, electronics repair, or automotive maintenance, I always have the right tool for the job at hand. The ability to quickly swap out screw heads thanks to the dismountable design further enhances the convenience factor. In terms of packaging, the set comes neatly organized in a compact case, making it easy to store and transport. The case also helps prevent loss or misplacement of individual screwdrivers, ensuring everything stays in order. Number 4. LETIITTGOO Screwdriver Set. As an avid D enthusiast, I've come to appreciate the importance of having a reliable set of tools at hand. The LETIITTGOO Screwdriver Set immediately caught my eye with its promise of versatility and durability. After putting it through various tests and projects, I'm excited to share my experience with you. Right out of the box, the LETIITTGOO screwdriver set exudes quality. The chrome vanadium steel construction ensures robustness and longevity, perfect for withstanding the rigors of regular use. The handles are ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip and minimizing hand fatigue during extended tasks. Additionally, the dismountable feature adds convenience, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Number 3. Kingston Screwdriver Kit. The screwdriver kit is crafted from high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The handles are ergonomic and feature a non-slip design, providing a comfortable and secure grip during use. The magnetic tips are a particularly useful addition, preventing screws from falling and making intricate tasks more manageable. Despite containing over 100 pieces, the kit remains remarkably compact and portable. Its mini size makes it convenient to carry around, whether you're working on projects at home or need to take it on the go. It's an ideal companion for professionals who require a reliable toolkit that doesn't take up much space. Number 2. 63-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Considering the quality and versatility it offers, the 63-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set is an excellent value for money. Compared to purchasing individual screwdrivers or multiple sets to cover all types of screws, this comprehensive set provides everything I need in one package, saving both space and money in the long run. In conclusion, I highly recommend the 63-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set to anyone in need of a reliable and versatile toolkit. Whether you're a professional technician or a D enthusiast, this set will undoubtedly prove to be an invaluable addition to your toolbox. With its quality construction, extensive range of bits, and convenient design, it has quickly become an essential tool for all my screw-related tasks. Number 1. CDEK 115-in-1 Screwdriver Set. The packaging of the set, with 100 pieces and above, ensures that all the components are neatly organized and easy to access. This is particularly helpful for someone like me who values efficiency and dislikes rummaging through cluttered toolboxes. In conclusion, the CDEK 115-in-1 Screwdriver Set has exceeded my expectations in every aspect. Its comprehensive selection of screwdriver heads, durable construction, comfortable handle, magnetic feature, and insulation make it an indispensable tool for both amateur D'ers and professional technicians alike. I wholeheartedly recommend this set to anyone in need of a reliable and multifunctional screwdriver kit. Thank you guys.